Hello everyone. Want to play Monster Legends on your PC? It's super easy with Moomoo Player. Let me show you how. First, go to the Moomoo Player website. That's moomooplayer.com. Click the big download button for Windows or Mac. The file will start downloading. Once it's done, find it in your downloads folder and double click to open it. The setup will start automatically. Just follow the simple instructions on screen. It only takes a few minutes to install. After installation is done, Moomoo Player will open up. You'll see it looks just like an Android phone on your computer screen. Now, click on the App Center button right on the front page. This is where you'll find all your games. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in Monster Legends and hit enter. You'll see the game pop up in the results. Click on it, and now you might need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Just enter your email and password, then hit the install button. The game will start downloading, and this might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, you'll see the Monster Legends icon on your Moomoo Player home screen. Click on it to launch the game. The first time you open it, the game will download some extra files. Just wait for that to finish, and now you're all set. You can play Monster Legends on your PC with your mouse and keyboard. Pro tip, press F12 to see the keyboard controls, and you can customize them however you want. Moomoo Player also lets you play with better graphics and smoother gameplay than on your phone. That's it, guys. Super simple, right? Now go breed some awesome monsters. If this helped you out, hit that like button, and thanks for watching.